The best meal I had in 24 days in Iran was served in a cave by this lovely lady and her son in Meymand, a stone village which sits halfway between Yazd and Kerman. You're gonna love this. Greetings, beautiful people from Meymand, Iran. People have lived here in the rocks, in the ground, for over 12,000 years. Does she live here?
Most of the time, yeah.
Where is her house?
Her room is up there.
Above here. Okay, and the kitchen is over here?
Yeah.
Can I go in the kitchen?
Yeah.
The cave kitchen. Is she cooking lamb? Because it smells like lamb.
Yeah.
I knew it. That's her sink right there. How often does she eat lamb? Twice a day?
Twice. No. Each 2 days.
Is she cooking rice over there? Of course, rice and different types of rices.
The young man over here is just learning how to cook, and this was his first try.
How'd it go? Okay? Okay, here we go. I believe it's going to be wonderful. I love it. It's crunchy. You're going to do big things. I want more of your rice, please. Here. That's how you know somebody likes it. They go for seconds. Sorry, I'd like to have his for lunch. High five. Thank you for showing me. Now, where is the dining room? Ooh, this is even lower. Wow. We're in. Look at this comfy place to hang out while lunch is being made. Extra room back here. Maybe to lie down and go to sleep after you eat. Does she have a hotel? Can people stay here?
Yeah, actually. The rooms are just like this, and you can spend the night in this place as well.
I imagine this keeps it pretty warm in the winter and cool in the summer.
Yeah, exactly.
While we wait for lunch, we're walking up the hill to check out one of the guest rooms. Here we go. Whoa, it's much bigger than I expected. This place is huge. You could definitely sleep like 20 people in here.
Yeah.
Definitely enough for a bunch of people.
This room is just for 4 or 5 people, but they have bigger rooms as well. Each person should pay around $5.
That's very reasonable. I'm going to stay here for the next month, eating your rice all the time.
و فقط برنجی که شما درست می‌کنید رو بخورن.
You know where to find me. Wake me up when lunch is ready. So, believe it or not, this is the small room. We're going to check out the big one now. Oh, look, and they've got the matrimonial bed over here. So isn't it illegal to sleep in a hotel with a girlfriend?
Exactly. These are mints.
Fresh mint?
Yeah, which we're gonna have for lunch.
I love mint. Oh man, it's so good. You can see there's another garden right here that's pretty much empty, and that's because the only thing that grows during the winter is the mint. That's why it's one of the staples of Iranian cuisine, and that's why we're going to enjoy mint with our lamb today. Wow, look at all that mint, look at all that lamb, look at all that rice. Oh, the crunchy part, my favorite.
Tahdig.
Tahdid. So good. This is fresh bread?
Yeah.
See if you can break a piece of it.
This side a little bit hard.
A little bit. So this is the soft one? Let's see that break. Oh yeah, definitely. Because it's fresh, it's hard?
Yeah, exactly. If you leave it for a day, it's gonna be softer than this.
So do people like eating it hard or soft?
Well, I like to eat it hard.
That's what she said!
Nice one.
I didn't say anything. Looks amazing. Don't forget the hard bread and the soft bread.
Yeah.
It's like a yogurt and vegetables. It's like an ayran. Wow, I'm excited for this. So we've got some straight up lamb with mint, and then we have lamb with a stew of vegetables. What makes it yellow?
They've added curd as well.
Stir up that curd there. Get it nice and thick. Oh my God, that is super delicious. It's like so moist. The lamb is perfectly cooked. And this yellow stuff is just heaven. Tahdig with the curd and the lamb. This is the best lunch I've ever had in 5 days. Thank you for taking me here. After eating like a pig, I took a much needed rest, then drank some tea and set off to explore. But first, on my channel, I show the good people of countries the media tells us are bad. And with your support, I will continue to countries like Syria and hopefully Palestine. So please subscribe to help me spread positivity. Oh my God, I've been in a cave for 2 hours. I had no idea what it was like out here. Take a look at this. You can see this one's got the extra canopy on top to keep the rain from coming in. So this one is more likely than not currently lived in. And you can see they've been modernized over time. Most all of them have electricity and running water. I just found something very rare in Iran. This is the second or third dog I've seen in 5 days. Oh, waggy, 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 waggy. There's another one. Hi, boy. Are you guarding this cave, making sure no one comes in? Ancient toilet?
Yeah.
Is there poop inside?
Yeah, I don't recommend going to.
Really? Oh yeah, there you go. Muppet. What's his name?
Beaker.
You know what Beaker says?
No.
He says, me, 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 me. Me, 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 me. Me, 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 me.
It's great. Muppet.
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 Bye, merci.
See you later.
Very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet me too.
How old are these ducks?
About a week.
Do the week-old ducks taste the best?
یعنی که اینا یک هفته مثلا از اون شده مزهشون خوبه اینا؟
نه.
They need to be 2 weeks.
بعد 3 سالشون.
He says they should be 3 years old at least.
Oh, the purple one is the most delicious. Yeah, I'm telling you. See, he's trying to get away.
Hello, how are you?
I am good. Salam. So right in the middle of the market here, we've got a hammam. We are standing at the entrance to the Shahzadeh Garden. This is one of 9 Persian gardens here in Iran, enlisted in the UNESCO World Heritage list. We are now inside, checking out the back of the entrance, which is just as beautiful as the front. However, there are some snow-capped mountains right over there.
Welcome to Iran.
Thank you very much. I feel very welcome here.
Bye.
Merci. Me, 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 me. It's a sheep's head. Is it tasty? I mean, you've eaten pretty much all of it. Now you know a little bit about Kerman. But there's so many more stories to tell from my 24 days in Iran. Have you heard of the Lut Desert? How about the stone houses of Kandavan? Please subscribe to see these and more incredible places like Isfahan and Ardabil. Not to mention the mouth-watering Iranian food. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Beaker.
Thank you.